Hey, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are talking about my drone. I have the OG Mavic Pro from 2017, and to say the least, the camera is getting outdated. I do not have over $5 to spend on the cine version of the Mavic 3, so I've had this idea. I've got the DJI Action 2. Why don't I just attach this camera to my drone, put it in the air, and I'll have basically the same thing as a Mavic 3 with, few less upgrades, but I should get a much better image. This is the first video that I got. Let's put the drone in the air and check it out and tell me what you think. Okay, so I know that the footage is of nothing exciting, it's just above my neighborhood, but it was shot in 4K, 30 frames a second, but what you're going to notice is the horizon is not level at all. It was a pretty windy day, so as the drone was tilting, all my footage came out tilted, so that tells me right away that I need to use horizon level on the Action 2. Here's the problem with the horizon level on the Action 2 is you have to shoot in 2.7K. There is no 4K horizon level. Let's try it. We're going to put the drone in the air this time with 2.7K horizon level, or they call it horizon steady. We're going to put horizon steady on and see how it looks. Let's check it out. Okay, so as you can probably see, that was not great. The image quality actually looked pretty good, but it was 2.7K. But you'll also notice, I'm sure, that there were a lot of the time that the drone was in the air that the horizon was still crooked. How disappointing is that, DJI? How can your horizon steady not maintain a level horizon on a drone that's moving 15 miles an hour and that is leaning due to the wind? I don't know. So, in conclusion for me, I do not think that the Action 2 is really good for attaching to a drone for cinematic type footage, unless it's a very calm day, because if there's lean, it's going to come through whether horizon steady is on or not. For FPV drones, I'm sure it's excellent because you want to try to get the turns and the whoops to add to the excitement of the video. I don't think it's really up to par to attach to your drone to try to get more cinematic footage. Maybe I'll put the Hero 10 on there next and see how that does. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.